Join me as I dive deep into the ocean floor to uncover the secrets hiding beneath the waves. The ocean has always been a place of fascination, covering over 70% of our planet, and yet, it remains one of the most underexplored parts of our world. Ocean exploration is crucial in understanding Earth's ecosystems and the hidden mysteries that lie beneath the surface. By studying the ocean and its inhabitants, we can gain a better understanding of the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems and the impact that human activities have on the environment. Deep-sea exploration is a challenging and complex task, requiring highly specialized equipment and technology. The pressure at great depths is extreme, reaching over 1,000 times the pressure at sea level, which makes it difficult to design equipment that can withstand such conditions. Furthermore, the darkness and near-freezing temperatures of the deep sea add to the challenges faced by researchers and explorers. The limited visibility and lack of light also make it difficult to navigate and communicate underwater, making every dive a potentially perilous journey. The deep sea is a vast and largely unexplored environment, with much of it remaining unmapped and unobserved. The technology to explore the deep sea is constantly evolving, with new submersibles and remote-operated vehicles being developed to reach greater depths and stay for longer periods. However, these advancements are often hindered by the high cost and limited availability of funding for deep-sea research. As a result, many areas of the ocean remain unexplored, and new discoveries are often made by chance rather than design. The lack of exploration also means that we are missing out on the opportunity to discover new species, understand oceanic processes, and uncover the secrets of the deep. Despite the challenges, researchers and explorers continue to push the boundaries of deep-sea exploration, driven by the potential for new discoveries and the importance of understanding the ocean's role in the Earth's ecosystem. The development of new technologies, such as autonomous underwater vehicles and advanced sonar systems, is helping to overcome some of the obstacles to deep-sea exploration. These advancements are enabling researchers to collect more data and conduct more detailed surveys of the ocean floor, which is leading to a greater understanding of the complex relationships between the ocean's ecosystems and the impact of human activities on the environment. As our knowledge of the ocean and its inhabitants grows, so too does our appreciation for the importance of preserving and protecting this vital component of our planet. The ocean is home to a vast array of unique and fascinating species, many of which have evolved to thrive in the harsh conditions of the deep sea. From giant squid to deep-sea fish, these creatures have adapted to the extreme pressure, darkness, and cold of the deep sea, and are a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. The discovery of new species is an exciting and ongoing process, with many new finds being made every year. Underwater volcanoes and hydrothermal vents are also home to unique ecosystems, supporting a wide range of microorganisms and other species that are found nowhere else on the planet. These ecosystems are not only fascinating in their own right but also provide important insights into the origins of life on Earth and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. The ocean floor is also home to many historic shipwrecks, each with its own story to tell. These wrecks provide a fascinating glimpse into the past, offering insights into maritime history, trade routes, and the lives of sailors and passengers. The preservation of these wrecks is an important part of our cultural heritage, and many are now protected as historic sites. The discovery of shipwrecks is often a complex and challenging process, requiring careful research and planning. However, the rewards are well worth the effort, as each wreck provides a unique window into the past and a chance to learn more about our collective history. The study of shipwrecks also has practical applications, such as helping to improve navigation and safety at sea. As we continue to explore the ocean, we are constantly reminded of the awe-inspiring scale and complexity of this ecosystem. The sheer size of the ocean, combined with its depth and diversity, makes it a truly unique and fascinating environment. Recent expeditions have made some groundbreaking discoveries, including the finding of a massive underwater lake, filled with frozen methane and other hydrocarbons. This discovery has significant implications for our understanding of the Earth's climate and the potential for life on other planets. The discovery of this underwater lake is a powerful reminder of the many secrets that still await us on the ocean floor, and the importance of continued exploration and research. The discovery of the underwater lake has also sparked a new wave of interest in ocean exploration, with many researchers and explorers eager to learn more about this fascinating ecosystem. As we continue to explore the ocean, we are constantly reminded of the importance of preserving and protecting this vital component of our planet. The ocean plays a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate, providing half of the oxygen we breathe, and serving as a source of food for billions of people. The discovery of the underwater lake is a powerful reminder of the many secrets that still await us on the ocean floor, and the importance of continued exploration and research. The lake's unique ecosystem is also providing scientists with a unique opportunity to study the complex relationships between the ocean's ecosystems and the impact of human activities on the environment. The finding of the underwater lake is a significant reminder of the many mysteries that still await us on the ocean floor. As we continue to explore and learn more about this ecosystem, we are constantly reminded of the importance of preserving and protecting the ocean for future generations. The lake's discovery is a powerful symbol of the awe-inspiring scale and complexity of the ocean, and the many secrets that still await us on the ocean floor. The discovery of the lake has also sparked a new wave of interest in ocean exploration, with many researchers and explorers eager to learn more about this fascinating ecosystem. As we continue to explore the ocean, we are constantly reminded of the importance of preserving and protecting this vital component of our planet. The importance of ocean exploration cannot be overstated, as it plays a critical role in our understanding of the Earth's ecosystems and the many secrets that still await us on the ocean floor. The ocean is a vast and complex environment, full of mysteries and surprises, and it is our responsibility to protect and preserve it for future generations. As we continue to explore and learn more about the ocean, we are constantly reminded of the importance of preserving and protecting this vital component of our planet. The ocean's ecosystems are delicate and interconnected, and it is our duty to ensure that they are preserved for future generations. If you've enjoyed this journey into the unknown, be sure to share your thoughts on ocean exploration in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other video on the fascinating world of marine life, where we explore the incredible diversity of species that call the ocean home.